In this video, I'm going to show you how to join channel membership on YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your creator. So over here, for example, I opened up PewDiePie, and then you first have to check whether they even do have channel memberships on their channel. So if they do, once you come to their YouTube channel over here, if you can see a join button next to the subscribe button, this means they have channel memberships enabled. And to actually join this, simply click on join over here. And then you should be able to see all the tiers. So right now, as you can see, a video is playing. I'm just gonna mute this, and you can see you have different tiers. So you have floor 1, you have you have tier 1, you have tier 2, and you have tier 3. So you can select which one you want to choose. Usually different tiers are gonna be named differently. So right now, as you can see, it has like floor gang, all of them basically. And yes, just select a tier. You can read all about it over here. You can see what badges you will get, what custom emojis you'll get, and then you can read more about perks over here as well, in case you're interested for each and every single of these tiers. Now, once you're in here, what you're going to have to do is you want to click on join once you select whichever one you want. So let's say this one, click on join, and then it's going to take you to this page over here. It's going to take a few seconds for it to load, and then from here you'll be able to basically confirm it. There we go, and you can see this is the checkout page. You'll have to select if you want to pay with credit or debit card, or if you want to add a PaySafe card. And after you do this, of course, put in your details, read all these things over here because it's very important, and then you want to click on buy, and you've successfully joined your channel membership to whatever creator you basically wanted to. Now, of course, this will be only available on your account that you're currently signed in with, so make sure you are signed in with the correct account before you do this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.